Advanced Phraseography Section 6 Start. As a rule, at a loss, in a few days, in a great measure, in such a manner as, for a moment, to a great extent, about the matter, all over the world, all the circumstances, at the present day, at the present time, by the way, for the first time, I will consider the matter in the first instance, in the first place, in the second place, in the third place, in the last place, in the next place, into the matter, notwithstanding the fact. On the contrary, on the one hand, on the subject, in the circumstances, what is the matter, as a matter of course, expression of opinion, in consequence of, in respect of, on the part of, out of place, short space of time. Do you mean to say, except to receive, face to face, from first to last, having regard to, in reference to which, in relation to, in reply to, in respect to, it appears to me, it appears to have been, it seems to me, ought to have been, ought to have now, regret to say, regret to state, we shall be glad to hear, we shall be glad to know, with reference to which, with regard to, with relation to, with respect to. Section 7 Omission and logograms. Start. Again and again, deeper and deeper, higher and higher, lower and lower, faster and faster, less and less, more and more, Mr. and Mrs., nearer and nearer, north and south, east and west, over and over again, over and above, here and there, quicker and quicker, rates and taxes, time and space, ways and means, side by side, bear in mind, borne in mind, all parts of the world, fact of the matter, facts of the case, for the purpose of, history of the world, out of the question, peculiar circumstances of the case, more or less, one or two, right or wrong, 6 or 7, sooner or later, 3 or 4, 2 or 3, up to present, up to the present time, in accordance with, in accordance with the, in accordance with the matter, in connection with, in connection with the, in connection with their. Again, I will dictate deeper and deeper, higher and higher, in connection with, 3 or 4, 1 or 2, more or less, out of the question, for the purpose, quicker and quicker, over and over again, nearer and nearer, faster and faster, regret to say, with respect to, in respect of, as a rule, at a loss, at the present day, in respect of, regret to state, with respect to, with relation to, notwithstanding the fact, in the third place, in the first place, I will consider the matter for the first time, by the way, in all circumstances, on the contrary, on one hand on the subject, what is the matter, expression of opinion as